section of your ticket will be for your bus transfer back to your hotel, and the departure time is stated on that section of your ticket also, so just make sure that you're back down at the bottom here in good time to catch your bus.
Heading that way, this is the world's oldest rainforest, and we're on the world's longest cable car. And there is a bird. This is pretty cool. It's already a long way down. We've got two stops. First one is a waterfall, possibly, and second one is somewhere else. I can't remember now. There's a guy water skiing down there. That's pretty cool. It's a wicked view from the top here, isn't it? Look at that aeroplane behind you. Got the passenger one. Let's get that on film. Wicked. You don't like looking down now. I don't think many people would. That is awesome. I'm so excited. Okay, we reached the third waypoint. Just taking a walk in the rainforest. So it's so nice. I've been waiting such a long time to come to a rainforest. It's awesome. It's pretty much exactly what I expected it to be. So cool. Don't know how long I can keep filming for though. I've got one battery. Unfortunately, they didn't give us more than one charger in the hostel room, so I had to charge the camera. This is pretty cool. Got vines just coming down here. Awesome. Anyway, I'm gonna carry on walking around here. If I see anything cool, I'm gonna start filming. I had to show the size of this tree. This is crazy.
A nest there.
I think that's actually a plant growing on there.
Nest.
That's crazy. There we go. We're just got to a really nice viewpoint. You can see it's just rainforest as far as the eye can see. Looks like there's a bit of a waterfall just down here as well. How nice is that? Okay, back in the cable car. Next up is Barron Falls. Apparently this, I think this is the highest point, isn't it? Yeah. This is the highest point on the trip. Whoa, that's shaky. I don't like that very much. That's pretty cool. Oh wow, that's going to be an awesome view from the top there, but that's going to go so fast. I'm a bit scared. Awesome. Oh, that's not bad. I thought it was just going to shoot us down there then. Ah dear. That is awesome. That looks like the village there in the distance, possibly. Oh no, it keeps going way further than that. How awesome. That is Barron Falls, and that is awesome. That is so nice. I don't know. We met an English woman in the hostel video, and apparently she was disappointed by this, but I just can't understand why. This is awesome. It'll be the best cable car in the world. Oh, best cable car in the world. I'll say that. Okay, we're at our second stop and we are at Barron Falls. Obviously that place you just saw, it's going to be that, but closer up and from the ground, basically.
Oh,
Surprised! Oh, it looks good. It's going to be nice. I thought we could actually go near it. Not that I'm disappointed by that at all. You're running, you're excited. There we go, how awesome is that again? Barren Falls. I hope you can see this nicely. I'm going to film it on the other camera as well. I'm actually on my small digital camera right now, doing most of the filming on that. I'll get the other camera out, zoom in a bit. Okay, we've been around the village and whatnot. We're back on another one of the walks. This is through the rainforest. It's quite nice. It's a nice little walk, but all the trees are very low and stuff like that. I'm just a bit worried about spiders and stuff. I don't really trust this bush very much. Ooh. I could feel the wood bending underneath me. Ah, this way. Jum Jum Creek walking track. No dogs. Nice. It's a really nice place up here. The village was a little bit disappointing. Very commercial. I thought, well, we're under the impression that there was going to be handmade goods from this area. Paintings, jewellery, that type of thing, but it's all imported just to sell here. It's a bit disappointing. Anyway, this is really nice though. Alright, we've finished off with that walk. We saw some pretty cool things, a lot of rainforest, there's a nice river, got a few videos of that. Hope that's going to turn out well. Excuse me, we're just on to the second walk now. My foot is killing me. These flip-flops are digging into the side of my toe. It's not nice. Yeah, there's going to be some nice views from here. You can see the big Barrens River. There's hopefully some good views. And there's also a new rainforest, kind of. It's the one they've chopped down and just started to let it grow again, rejuvenating it, which should be good. It's so humid, makes you so tired. Right, off that way we go. We're in the second part of the jungle walk. Literally, I've only just filmed a few minutes ago. I just wanted to show. It's not very well looked after. It's quite scary because they've got massive spiders here. It's horrible. I've got a picture of one earlier actually. It's about the same size as my hand. Oh, it's a lizard. Little lizard down here, look, at the end of the stick. I'll move this. Oh, and another one just there. I'm not going to harm you. Just want to get a better picture of you. You can see that? I've lost where it is. Here he is. This little dude. Anyway, carry on filming. Oh dear. So, too hot. I'm going to put the camera away for a bit. Okay, we're on the last of the trails. This is the river trail. There's actually a tour boat just coming through. Not able to see it. It's telling me I've got no battery left. This is probably going to be the last one. I might be able to do a quick recording on my other camera. I've only got a little bit of memory left on that. It's a really nice view you can get from here. The cable cars go just over the top of us, so we're just on our way to that now. And then we're back down into Cairns. So it's been a really nice day. Especially the nature side of it. There's something just dropped into there. There's the rubber boat. There's only 2 people on there. That'd be quite nice. Right, continue.